Welcome, everyone. A key idea underpinning the design and purpose of this building is to connect art and science and engineering in the minds of our students and bring a truly interdisciplinary liberal arts education to life. We hope to inspire creativity and innovation in our faculty and their students.
This building is actually a perfect tribute to my dad because he was not an engineer, definitely not a techie, not an artist, not a musician, but he was a creator of ideas and innovation in his business.
My friends in chemistry are super excited about the Ruth and Henry Knoxheim Lab of Chemistry Suites, and my friends in E-Media are super excited about their new state-of-the-art recording facility.
The Schoenecker Center is an expectation to carry on the work of those whose shoulders we stand on. It's a commitment to their vision of an applied, hands-on, collaborative, enlightened St. Thomas educational experience for our students.